Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto E14 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To do that, open Google Chrome application, press on the three dots on the right corner and there scroll and choose settings option. In it, Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our smartphone remember, maybe to our Amazon account. To manage it, click on that, enter connect by get connect to our password and entering our look screen, and there after we press this first icon we can copy our username or copy our passwords, or after we press this size icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit, and you can add something in username, passwords and note. After you change something, remember to tap save. You can also delete what our smartphone remember by delete and confirm it by delete, or share it by this icon. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.